Yeah. If anything touch that, you know. Some green onion pan him and thing and make him go and drink. You can see it simmer down. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Look out for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.
Still in my prime, go remind them. Never left in 9X. Fashionista ask me how when me get me style them. Gun matchy boot and the boot matchy boy vest. Tell the soup we have can, but them hard for your digest. You see that weed the way I get.
Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Travel Barber. So today I'm gonna do some jerk chicken. So right here where you see right now are the season I try to get together. All I see is like onion, tomato, garlic, scallion, and them stuff there. So I try to get them in right way. So we can just blend them up, chop them up fast, and then we'll sort out the chicken and get it ready. So it's a whole lot of chicken we're gonna deal with today. I don't know if I'm gonna slice it up still. I don't think so, but we'll go and watch and so go on. Good piece of bad scallion in it. Yeah. Piece of the bad scallion, huh? Clean up the scallion right here. Wash him up. Wash him up. Cut him up in here, you know? Alright, so the pepper, that. I got some dry season to it. So these are the dry season. Just 2 spoonfuls of dash. And what else you have? Alright. Yeah, I broke Alright, so I have some browning. I add some browning to the season too. To blend up. Get some season. And then you can add some water to it. Yeah. So so we blend the seeds there. Blend the season. Everything in this right now. Well, yummy. Ready for take off. So yeah, so see it. They already have a bad season. Well ready. Spice up everything with pepper, everything. So now we have got towards the whole badness we have got towards the one chicken we have got towards right now. So get this sort out to the extent. So I'll move this and see how best can get this. Alright. So we have some intestine something else. So. Alright, so we'll cut him off. Cut him off. Some this so. Because I know that chicken we are use. And this method here. I'm gonna split him in a so. See what I'm doing. Alright. So we open him up now. I'm gonna take out everything in us. Clean out. I'm gonna clean off his skin because I want to jerk the chicken with the skin on it. So just keep trolling. So I read that one with this. Yes. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. There's a whole heap of crazy content, you know? Crazy content, so let's see what I'm going to say. I don't feel like I want to do it with the whole of the skin funny. So I'm going to try to see if I can take off some of my skin, but basically, I'm still going to do. I think I'm going to bust it again in a two or bust it cross or so. Yeah. Be careful. As I can see right now, I brush this. Alright. So this. Now, I'll try cutting one more time. Yeah. Quarter chicken. Quarter chicken. Come half a chicken. Yeah. So I'm gonna take off the skin because I really like the whole skin thing. Yeah, skin the chicken right now. Everything clean up. Everything will look nice. Okay. So all of them look fat here. Put them aside. Yeah, so. I eat liver, so. Liver have to stay over there, so. I'm gonna feed dog, you know. So. Alright, so now this bit for clean off. And then we're gonna put in that thing and wash it. Yeah. Yep. Alright. Yeah, so some are gonna get them big, chop it big and everything. So now we're gonna get some salt and vinegar. There's some vinegar here. I get some vinegar. Some salt. Now no lemon, so I'm gonna use the salt and vinegar and just get to wash out the wheel. Forget to wash out, you know. So now lemon on the blocks, so salt and vinegar we are gonna wash them out with that. Take off the S6 amount of fat. Alright, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright, see, we clean the chicken and everything. We take off the really cool skin off of it. So now we have the season. Alright, so before we do anything else, we're gonna put some of this. We're gonna put some of this powder season on it first. You know? And go and rub it in. Yeah, we go rub it in. Rub it in. Yeah man, we go just massage this in our chicken. So we can know how we are get it done. Understand? Put some of it in another place here, so. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we are doing it right now. That's how we are going to do it right now. I'm going to put some of this nice seasoning over here right now. We just blend secret ingredients. Hey. Yeah. Just by the smell of the seasoning, you can know it's not good nice, you know? Nothing I feel. Anything, every local thing I have to rub up. Rub up in a you know? I get a real Jamaican jerk chicken, but to me now I go too authentic because in an oven we're gonna put it still, you know. So anytime I get like some coal and we have a makeshift stove outside, I know I can jerk chicken. So I see what eat more food content right now. until I start roam the street again. A show around, you know. So see just a normal look Sunday, you know. What I gotta do, I gotta just put them in here so. Okay, you know this side breast and we want the breast for everything for drain out. Make sure I can get the right way. Not the oven jerk we have to do so. You have to know how to do it. Still I do it, you know. Still I rub it in. Still I rub it in, still I rub it in. Still I rub it in, still I rub it in. Yeah man, so I think I eat this nowhere. This can left back if you do on different day or cook a different day. But you just want to know say this I get the real season right now. Alright. Wash up here and get it. Yes. So see how it look there. This is how it look. I get this so. I gonna light. I gonna light up this stove, the oven, and we're gonna put the chicken in this. Yeah. Nice Jamaican jerk chicken. If you want to say barbecue, you can say barbecue, but this is how we do it right now. So I'm gonna get some oil and then we're gonna oil this. Yeah, we're gonna oil that thing right now. So I'm gonna look stiffness. Not really itch up on the side them, no? Okay. So right now you can see I put in the chicken. I put them in some big quart, you know? Big quart. This side too look neck. Oh yeah, right there, so now. So I know what this. So this now I look sauce we have. Yeah. This gonna be look sauce. So the rest of this we are going in this one now. We just go make it go and marinate. The way if you marinate and yeah, we are gonna have a nice chicken day today. Yeah. Today gonna be a nice day for the jerk chicken and this is how we have it, you know. Alright, so we're gonna light up the stove now. We're gonna light up the oven. Right away. Yeah, so we're gonna light up the oven. You can see. Get the fire. Everything started now. Oven. Alright. We're not going to turn the fire too much. Too much sugar and everything. So now we're going to put in the chicken. As I can see. I'll put in the chicken there, so. Make it just take it time. On them shop it up. So hold on. Put this down a bit more. Alright. So alright. So that's it. So I turn it down to about 22. And I hit that for now, you know. So stay tuned. Yeah, so we have some rice and peas, you know? We have some rice and peas. Alright, so the end of the oven, to take your time to come, you know? So we can just go and simmer. Go and simmer in the oven, you know? Knock it down. And here we have some sauce in the dark dough. This is some sauce what we are going to use for the chicken. Like anytime we turn it over back, and just this we are going to use, you know? Good old sauce. Yeah, so I check up on the chicken. And so I really are going on. I'm gonna turn him over. Yeah, turn him over. I'm taking time still. Alright, so just turn over the chicken. So I'm gonna put some local sauce we're gonna put on him. I have some local special sauce we're gonna put on him. There we go already. So make it go on nice up there so we're gonna put it back in there. Yeah, we're gonna put it back in there so we're gonna put it back in the oven. And we're gonna turn it up a little bit more. Yeah. And we're gonna turn it up a little bit more. So stay tuned, you know? Yes, so still a jerk in same way, you know? Turn him over. And still up on. Still a jerk in same way. I'm gonna stick him out of the oven. Not too like the oven jerks too, but I'm gonna try to work with it. Let's see what I can go on there. So alright. So I'll try it. Yeah. Yeah, man, so you know, 1 4, you know. Put some more sauce on him again, you know. Give it color, you know. Juicy and nice already still, but you can't eat it, you can't eat it. So I take time and make it go on, you know. See, we are nice. Wow, that's a nice place. Yeah. So I'll put him back in the oven again. Oven it up, you know. Alright. Stay tuned. Yeah, again. I'll put more sauce on, you know. Sauce him up.
So I'm on my way to 1 city a day, and I can't wait. And I just wanted to thank Robbie again for all his help. Hope it changes your life like how it's changing mine.
$2,000 days, $3,000, $4,000 days. As you can see, this is my week to date. Yeah, crazy numbers, man.
Two piece of neck or so.
People are great, so much help, so much support.
Juicy jerk chicken I do right now. The girl.
Artiste really does work, so if you're serious about being successful online and you want to finally have something simple, easy to follow,
I feel like that.
stop what you're doing.
Feel nice already.
Set up that page and register for my upcoming workshop so I can show you how the system is changing lives every single day, and the brand new AI technology is helping to automate most of it.
So we put back this in the pot in the oven now. And just the last we could simmer down, it go simmer down and take it off. I say ready, you know. We just want to make sure everything go properly. We don't want to hurry it up, you know. So we put it on a slow motion. So tune in.
So listen now.
Some sauce. So some baked bean sauce. We make free chicken, you know. I then have some rice and peas. The real way, you know. Rice and peas, the real way. And then some baked bean sauce.
So that have the understand. So if you look at 1996, up to 1989, this is it.
More cooking.
Opposition leader then, Edward Steele, so we will get the beat. Because
the stove out there say now. Alright, you're gonna start jerk chicken outside in the oven. So just watch out for that video that will come. I'm gonna do a smoked chicken content. Outdoor cooking. Yeah, so I'm finished up now.
So we're going to let you listen now to this. We're going to let you listen now to this military intelligence officer in Jamaica Defense Force. This man is very this is a man.
Yes, I saw it set up.
The military
Very nice. No burn. No burn. So you can't see light. Yeah. No burn. This is the jerk chicken, you know? Sauce I make this so. Done now, so. I eat that. Yeah. Yeah. If anything touch that, you know? Put some green onion on him and thing and make him go on there. You can see it simmer down. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Look out for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.
Still in my prime, go remind them. Never left in 9X. Fashionista ask me how when me get me style them. Gun matchy boot and the boot matchy boy vest. Tell the soup we have can, but them hard for your digest. You see that weed, yeah, where I get.